In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your boiler fixed quickly and safely for a reasonable price if you live in or around the Dartford area. Hi, I'm George Lane, the founder of Thames Boilers based in Dartford. I'm a gas safe registered heating engineer and have been repairing boilers for over 20 years. So we do things differently here at Thames Boilers. If you use us to repair your boiler, there are no hourly rates and no call out charges, just one fixed labour price to get your boiler going again. Let me explain how it works. You just pay one flat rate, which you can see on this page. This covers all the labour costs to get your boiler working again. So it doesn't matter if it takes an hour to fix your boiler or 8 hours and 2 or 3 visits. You still pay that one fixed price. So what's the catch? Well, the only thing it doesn't include are any parts your boiler might need. So if your boiler needs a new part to get it working again, you'll need to pay for that separately on top of the fixed price. But don't worry, we can get most parts at below retail price and we pass these savings on to you. Now, if all of this sounds good so far, just call the number on this page to be put through to the office. We're open 24/7, or click on the booking link to book yourself in online. It's fast and easy and one less thing to worry about when you've done it. So let's go back over what we've covered so far. You can get your boiler repaired for the fixed price that's on this page. That includes as many hours and visits as necessary to get your boiler going again. So there are no call out charges and no hourly rates that can get out of control. You'll also get a free boiler service and a free water quality check worth £169 if you were to buy them separately. Plus, any parts we fit to your boiler are guaranteed for a whole year. And if you decide to book your boiler repair with us, it will be me doing the job. So call the number on this page to be put through to the office, or click on the booking link to book yourself in online. And I hope to be repairing your boiler very soon. Thanks very much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.